In this video, I'll show you how to change the smallest width setting in Developer Options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down until you find the Smallest Width option. Tap on Smallest Width to open it. You'll see a numerical value that determines the display scaling and how much content fits on the screen. Enter your preferred value, then tap OK to save the changes. Increasing the value makes icons, text, and interface elements appear smaller, allowing more content to fit on the screen. Decreasing the value makes everything appear larger and easier to read. Be careful when changing this setting, as extreme values may affect the appearance and usability of some apps. That's it. You have successfully changed the smallest width setting in Developer Options on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.